DVD player has 5 main parts: the front panel, control board, power supply, optical unit, and disc tray. I tried to recreate step-by-step assembly instructions. The optical assembly starts with this injection molded piece of plastic. A laser diode is then screwed in on the side with 2 screws, followed by the photodiode array and focusing lens. Next, the whole assembly goes on this bent sheet metal frame. Metal rods are used to allow the assembly to slide back and forth. One motor moves the assembly through a series of gears, and another spins the DVD while it's playing. Finally, there's a ribbon cable that connects to the motor and limit switches. And then vibration dampers are added for mounting to the frame. The disc tray starts with this rectangular piece of plastic. A gear and pulley are used to move this slide back and forth. Then, this PCB and motor are screwed in. The mount for the optical unit snaps down. Finally, the disc tray is inserted. Assembly for the front panel consists of just 2 PCBs that need to be screwed down. The power supply looks to be a typical flyback converter. 120 volts comes in and is rectified to produce a DC bus. The main controller IC has an integrated switch that drives the primary of the transformer. The voltage on the secondaries is much lower and is rectified to get a 5 volt and 12 volt supply. The control board has 4 chips. One is a big processor from a company called SunPlus. There's one IC for memory and the other 2 are motor drivers. To complete the assembly, each part is screwed down to the main chassis. The cover then slides on top and clicks into place.